In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wise to your Upwork account in just 5 minutes. This process is fairly simple and will help you receive payments directly to your Wise account, offering potentially lower fees and better exchange rates. Let's dive in. First, open your internet browser. Any browser you are comfortable with will work, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Go to the search bar and type in Upwork. Look for the official website link and click on it to navigate to Upwork's homepage. Once you arrive at the Upwork website, the next step is to log in. You'll need your Upwork credentials handy for this step, so make sure you have your username or email and password ready. If you are prompted with two-factor authentication, follow those steps to access your account securely. Before proceeding, it's important to note that having your US dollar, USD, bank account details from Wise is crucial. Make sure you have this information ready, as we'll be using it shortly to set up your payment method on Upwork. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture, or if you see a down arrow, click there instead. This will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll manage your account details, including payment settings. In the Settings page, navigate to the Get Paid section under User Settings. Here, you'll find options related to how you receive payments on Upwork. Click on Add a Method to set up a new payment method. From the list of available options, choose Direct to US Bank, USD. This selection is perfect for linking your Wise account, as it deals directly with USD payments. It's time to enter your USD account details. Carefully input the account information you obtained from Wise into the designated fields provided. Double-check each detail to ensure there are no errors, as accuracy is key to avoiding processing issues or delays. After entering the required details, you'll need to follow any on-screen prompts to validate the information. This might involve re-entering your Upwork password for security purposes, ensuring that your data remains protected. Finally, select Add Account to complete the process. At this point, Upwork might send micro-deposits to your Wise account. This is a standard verification method used by many platforms to confirm account ownership. Once these small deposits arrive in your Wise account, return to Upwork and confirm their exact amounts. This step finalizes the linking process, and once confirmed, your Wise account will be successfully set up to receive payments from Upwork. Remember, this setup is intended for USD transactions, taking advantage of Wise's competitive fees and rates. Congratulations, you're now ready to receive your hard-earned payments through Wise seamlessly.